Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Nicaraguan enchiladas. We'll start by preparing a flavorful beef filling, then move on to crafting a simple yet rich tomato sauce. Next, I'll guide you through the assembly process, showing you how to roll each enchilada perfectly. Finally, we'll fry them to a golden crisp and discuss traditional serving suggestions to complete your authentic meal. Get ready to enjoy a taste of Nicaragua. First, let's prepare the heart of our enchiladas, the beef filling. Brown 1 pound of ground beef, then add finely diced onions and bell peppers, cooking until softened. Season this mixture with a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt to taste. Simultaneously, simmer 2 cups of tomato sauce with 1 bay leaf and a pinch of sugar for about 15 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly and develop its rich flavor. Now for the fun part, assembly. Gently soften 12 corn tortillas by quickly dipping them in warm oil for just a few seconds. This makes them pliable. On each softened tortilla, place a generous spoonful of the seasoned beef filling. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of cooked white rice and a thin slice of hard-boiled egg. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly into a neat cylindrical shape, ensuring the filling is securely enclosed. Finally, it's time to fry and serve these delicious treats. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Fry the rolled enchiladas for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Drain any excess oil on paper towels. Serve them hot, generously topped with our homemade tomato sauce, shredded cabbage, pickled onions, and a dollop of fresh crema for an authentic Nicaraguan experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.